Hi, in this video we're gonna do a troubleshooting. That is, even if you install everything properly, your indicator is not running and showing something like that your account is not registered with our system, blah blah blah. But you already maybe send your account information already to our support, and they say that they already activate it, and even they activate it, it's not running. So there should be two reasons. One is your account is not actually under our IB broker, or even if you send a demo account, that should be run, but our support say yes, we activate it, so it's not running because of some other reason, because you tried little bit fast, I mean you did one step further. So that's why you are getting this information. So first thing first is you have to close it and go to your open data folder, and from your open data folder you will see MQL4 folder, and there you go and right click, delete this folder, I mean files folder, delete this folder first. Okay, that is first thing you have to do. And after that, as you can see, let me give you the example. If we want to do this, bring this, so this is the information it's giving. Even this account is already under our server, but we or you did the mistake. So again, let me show you. Go to open data folder and go to MQL4 and select the file folder, delete it. So actually you are clearing the cache. So this is the first step you have to do. And second step is you have to bring Internet Explorer. So we go to the Internet Explorer browser, and when we go to Internet Explorer browser, we go to the setting and actually, sorry, because at this moment I am in Thailand, so obviously Thai things are showing up. So we go to the setting first. Let me go to the internet option, and in the internet option, in the general section, there is a situation called browser history. So you have to delete this history. So delete everything, select everything, delete everything, apply, okay, and close Internet Explorer. And now go again to your MT4, right click, template, FXHi5, and now see the indicator is working. Mean you just clear the cache. You have to do it to do the troubleshooting. So thank you for watching. So in the upcoming video we will start learning the tutorial or strategy, whatever you say. I mean, get excited and actually give your time in it. Obviously you will find a very good path in trading. Thank you.